Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce it is Revathri, R-E-V-A-F-R-I, Golf Rangefinder, with slope and pin lock vibration. It's an external slope switch for golf tournament. It's a legal rangefinder with rechargeable battery for 600-meter, 1,000 yards laser rangefinder. It's not only for golf sports, of course. You can use this at home for range finding too, of course. Yeah, of course. A cost-effective and excellent rangefinder that provides us an external angle switch. The golf slope compensation. This is the recommended hitting distance, flagpole lock, and a vibration function. Also features with 1,000 yard range, plus minus 1 yard accuracy. 0.5 second quick measurement, built-in lithium battery, and low battery indicator. When the pin overlaps with the background, we press and hold the measurement button to start scanning the area. When recognized the flag, it will lock the measurement data and trigger a vibration to remind. In a slope-on mode, the angle, the side of line distance, and the golf compensation distance are displayed on the screen. This is really cool to make a good golf job. We have a slope off of tournament legal function too. This mode is suitable for the tournament. When the angle switches off, the angle value will not be displayed while it still locks the flag and has a pulse vibration. In this mode, only the line of the sight distance, this is the straight line distance, is displayed on the screen. And it's really easy to use. We have one button to measure and one button to change the unit, meters to yards options. The lightweight, portable, and durable. The size is only 3.8 to 2.6 to 1.3 inches, and the weight is only 4.3 ounces. It is very suitable for carrying, measuring when playing golf or hunting. The lens is full multi-layer coated, which can enhance the light transmittance and reduce the reflected light to give us a clear view if we need it. Revathri focuses on the development and innovation of laser rangefinders. They believe it's never too late to start our outdoor journey. They just make it easier for us. The products have several measurements modes and units to cover as many sports types as possible. All products are produced by Revathri own factories and sold directly to us. We can trust this product as the factory are behind of them. Angle switch, flagpole locking, slope, flagpole scanning vibration mode, and 1,000 yard range of distance. We have a 6.5 magnification included. That means we have 1,000 yards Golf Rangefinder with built-in lithium-ion battery. All Revathri laser rangefinders are developed by the talented engineers and produced by the own factory of them. They have been in this field for several years, dedicating to develop the high-performance, user-friendly, and affordable rangefinders for everyone out there. And it's really easy if you look through the device. You can see in front of you there's an aim dot in the center. Then on the upper side you see the angle dot, the angle information. On the left bottom side you see the flag information, and on the bottom lines you can see the distance which you are going to read there easily. This rangefinder is specially developed for golfers, whatever we are a professional golfer or a beginner. It's super easy to use. With 1,000 yard ranging distance and a 250 yard flag lock, we can confident with our average shot. Otherwise, there's a physical slope switch for tournament legal. We are not bounded using the excellent rangefinder, of course. Water droplets in the air may interrupt the transmission of the laser to cause an incorrectly of reading, so avoid using it in rainy or foggy days. We have high performance 6.5 to 1000 yards rangefinder with a clear bright view, especially designed for golfer with slope, pin seek and vibration. Up to 250 yard flag lock vibration and its IPX4 waterproof level. External angle switch and a 0.5 second quick measurement. You can use this laser rangefinder for all kind of measurements where you need a laser rangefinder, of course. But the focus, of course, with the additional options are for golfers out there. This is the Riva 3 Golf Rangefinder with slope and pin lock vibration. Thanks for watching. Oh, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.